has virtually no side effects other than common things like sedation. So there's no THC, or they're not, or less than an amount that would cause.
Hi everybody, welcome to Kidney Coach. I'm naturopathic Dr. Fiona Chin, and I'm with Morgan Camp, and we wanted to share some information about CBD oil and its use in kidney disease. So first off, CBD, tell us more about it. Why is it become such a big thing? Why are people using it? Why is it so popular at the moment? What does it do? And why maybe with kidney disease would somebody think about using it?
Yeah, great question. Yeah, so I'm sure most of the listeners have heard about CBD. Probably many have even tried it. Probably many have had success, and many might have had failure. So we'll try to cover some of that and why and how. So CBD is popular because it's a safe, natural treatment that has virtually no side effects other than common things like sedation, and some people have paradoxical responses where they might get anxious. That always wears off within a few hours. They have no long-term significant side effects, meaning you're not going to harm any organs if you take it, compared to other pain meds, which are like NSAIDs, which are either kidney and stomach toxic at high doses, or opiates, which of course are addictive. So CBD by itself, without THC, has no addictive properties. Side effects are minimal, and a lot of people like it because it can lower systemic inflammation when taken at high doses for a long period of time. There's a couple caveats with picking the right form of CBD. So there are many types of CBD, and a lot of the cheaper versions are like CBD isolates, which are just like the CBD molecule by itself. And those are less efficacious. And then also a lot of the bottles on the market aren't actually that strong necessarily. So buyer beware a little bit of what you're getting. I'm an advisor for Yellow Athletic CBD. We have a full spectrum hemp-based product. So there's no THC, or they're not, or less than an amount that would cause you to be positive on a drug test. But negligible amount, and we do have the certificate of analysis on these. So it's full spectrum. We have terpenes in it. So the terpenes are like the smell that if you've ever smelled cannabis, I'm sure everyone has. The odor and the smell and the flavors there are the terpenes. So those are chemicals which also have their own chemical effects on mood and pain as well. So Yellow Athletic has terpenes added to theirs, which gives a good benefit as well. And also the one big reason for the Yellow Athletic is great is that it's really high dose. So each bottle is dosed really high. There's a lot in there. We have the certificate. The founder has the certificate of analysis on record to show you that these are highly potent and highly bioavailable CBD products. One of the reasons I love CBD, and I've been prescribing it for over a decade, is it's safe. The biggest reason to use CBD is, again, because it's not harming any organs. All the over-the-counter medications, Tylenol, ibuprofen, or acetaminophen, or paracetamol, or whatever you guys have in Australia. I'm not sure that I know that they're different in different areas of the world. But we have ibuprofen here, and all the cousins of that, naproxen and naproxen, all those, and those all have significant kidney damaging side effects, as well as they cause a lot of gastritis, bleeding ulcers, etc. I saw a lot of that when I was in residency. A lot of people with bleeding ulcers have a glass of wine and an ibuprofen recipe for a bleeding ulcer. Not the same with CBD. So that's one of the big reasons I love it. It's safe, and we have our own endocannabinoid system. So we have receptors in our body for cannabinoids, including CBD. So we have these CBD receptors. So it's like our body's wired to receive this natural gift from Mother Earth. And it really is a very safe product.
And if you want to know more about what we do, head to www.kidneycoach.com. Thanks for being part of our audience. If you have any questions about this, feel free to email the team. They can answer all your questions in CBD, or drop a comment in below. Thanks for being part of our community. We'll talk to you next time. Thanks, Dr. Camp. Appreciate you.
Thank you.